Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you on how to install OpenCart Shipping Discount Manager. On my screen, I have already uploaded the OpenCart zip file that I've downloaded on the marketplace. So just extract like this one, extract, then locate the folder where you're going to extract the file. So I have here a sample of extracted file. Just open it. So click the upload. So we have here the admin and catalog. So you need to select the two folder, copy, then overwrite the main folder which contains the admin and catalog. Make sure you are in the right place. So if you are unsure, just double check. Then copy. This will copy the contents of this folder to the specific location where the plugin is located. So to check, let's go to the main folder. So this is the main folder, OC3, then admin. Let's check one of the file, marketing. Here you go. So there it is. Discounted control. So this is not just one file. There's also files on the other folders. So let's proceed in the dashboard. So as you will notice, on the zip file, there's another file which is the XML. Just go to extensions, installers, then upload file. So upload your extension here. So it's still loading, then wait to show the success. So after you install the XML, you have to go to modifications. Make sure you refresh to rebuild your modification cache. So let's go now to extensions to install the XML. So this one. So you need to enable, click install, the green one, the green button. There you have it. Then click edit to enable. Save. So here we have here the shipping, which is the sort order is 3. So we need to put the shipping discount manager under that shipping. So let's set the sort order to 4. Then click save. Then go to system, user groups to give permission to the discount control. Well, make sure this is check. So this one, then the other ones, marketing discount control. So search in the modify permission, make sure it's check, then the marketing. So check. So click save. Then go to marketing. You will now see the shipping discount manager. So just create by clicking the add new button. So type in sample type of discount, percent or fix. So amount, let's say 50% discount. So the total amount, it will take effect. So let's say $10, or you can set it to one, or it depends on you. So let's say $10. So you can also specify which product it will take effect. So if you want only one for one product, you can set it here like this one, or just add another one like this one. So if you want to set it by category, which is more broad, you can set it up here like cameras, or you can have a bigger group of product categories. So from here, we have to set the start date, then the end date. So make sure you select geo zone, because if there's no geo zone, it will not take effect. So like for example, UK. So just set the status to enabled, then click save. So let's test this one. Let's go to checkout, then reload first to make sure the settings or configuration is applied. Then continue. So just click continue. Just select one of the shipping. So 30. Then click continue. Accept the payment. Here we go. So we have here the shipping is set to 30. So it will take effect. So the discount is 50%. So there is negative 15. So half of 30. So that's all, everyone. Thank you.